it's J-Mac with Alice Overland, and right now I'm pre-prepping some stuff for a overnight, single night camping trip up into the, I'm not sure where I'm going yet, but I know what's on the menu, and it's everything Mexican themed right now. I'm chopping this jalapeno here, and I've pre-prepped some onion and cilantro. I'm just gonna mix all of this together and then refrigerate it and then stick it in the cooler before I go. I also love this type of knife. It's pretty handy for chopping. I'm not sure what it's called. So what's on the menu? Some chicken chorizo that I've pre-cooked, and I'm gonna freeze it, and that's gonna go in my tacos, my breakfast tacos, the morning after next. For dinner, I'm planning on having some pre-cooked, this is rotisserie chicken thighs. I'm gonna chop this up when I get to camp and make some chicken tacos. So you can see I've got this whole theme going here, Mexican theme. Breakfast with eggs and on a corn tortilla, and then some of this mixture sprinkled on top. Dinner, chicken thigh meat that'll be cooked again. Sprinkle this on top, and then I've got some limes that I'll put on, squeeze it on. It'll be delicious. The good thing about this type of meal is, for these meals, is you can prep like one big thing and it covers you for multiple meals. It's good to strategize like that when you're camping and space is limited. Finally, I'm gonna take my #1 absolute favorite condiment. This is the Yellowbird habanero condiment. It's delicious. It's it's a bit spicy because it's habanero, but then it's also sweet too, and it's amazing on tacos, eggs, enchiladas. It's delicious. Anyway, highly recommend it if you can get your hands on it. Also, don't forget the avocados. Those are awesome on breakfast tacos and dinner tacos and lunch tacos. Avocados. Myself a little coffee here. I just need to do a tiny bit of butter, some eggs, or an egg, I should say. Toss a little chicken chorizo. Bump it up, bump it up. Alright, it's cooking away, already ready. Flip. And up. Tortillas. Already going. Sweet. Push that on. All right. We've got some chopped jalapeno, chopped onion, and cilantro, which I pre-made the night before, and the chorizo. I pre-cooked that as well. And so here's the finished product. I also put some Yellowbird habanero condiment on. Delicious. think I can get probably 3 tacos, double wrapped. Yeah, and you just need to warm the corn tortillas enough to make them pliable. Just load this up while it's cooking. Boom. That. Squeeze a little lime on, and voila.